With Halloween on the horizon, I wanted to get a new LEGO set, and what better to get than this new haunted house. Let's take a look inside the box and let's have an in-depth look at all the different features. Starting with the basics, this is set number 10273 and it consists of 3,231 pieces. There is 18 bags within the box and one instruction booklet. I managed to put this together in just 2 evenings, but it was an absolute pleasure to build. There were so many different features. It incorporated Technic and normal standard Lego. It was really fun to build. It also includes a light brick and numerous printed pieces. And on top of all that cool stuff, you also get 10 minifigures and a working lift that is really fun to play with. We'll take a look at that towards the end of this video. So the front of this build looks fantastic and it has everything you'd want within a haunted house. It looks spooky and scary and the colours look really good. And to top it all off, we even have the graveyard in the front garden. For the main entrance, we have a double set of doors that can be opened with the turn of a knob. Right up at the top, we have 2 more doors that open when the lift reaches the top. I had done no prior research into this set, so I was unaware of the features, and I found this to be a really cool feature. Although they do stick a little bit and can be quite temperamental, overall I think they're really good. Above the large arch window we have a nice little plaque, a printed tilepiece that says Manor von Baron, and this, when pushed in, lights up a light brick inside, and this projects an image which looks really awesome. So taking a look inside, you can do that by opening out the 2 front sections like this. They open out really nice and easily and reveal all of the Easter eggs that are within. Starting on the left hand side, we had this amazing looking organ that was super fun to build, and I think the details with all the pipes and everything just looks fantastic. Above that we have got the projector thing with the printed tile, and there's a printed tile behind it with the light brick that lights up to make the projection. Really cool feature. In the middle section we've got loads more little Easter eggs with things packed into the loft, giving it loads more character and details. We've got the little reception till area with a person with a ticket machine. It's really nice details. We've got an awesome looking brick built figure that sits on the wall too, which looks really good. And moving on to the right section, we have got the 10th figure, the final figure, hiding upside down in the loft, and we've got a little table area with a couple of skull heads, some candles, and then we've got the main entrance with the double doors that open in and the big chandelier above it. Really nice features again. So to open the doors, as I said previously, you just turn this little knob here and then that opens them, which I thought was a really cool addition to the set. And then if we turn this back around and we take a look at the back, you can see the Technic workings. There was quite a few Technic gears and cogs, and it all works to lift up the lift and then drop it down, and then you have some wheels that slow down the free fall of the lift so that it doesn't go crashing into the bottom, which was really clever. So let's take a look at the lift. So I will show it from the back, where you should just be able to see it through the windows, and you'll see me doing the windings, and then we'll show it from the front, the way in which it goes up and drops down. Let's take a look. Do find that when winding it up, the ratchet sort of safety mechanism kicks in quite a little bit. I don't know if anyone else has experienced the same thing, but let me know in the comments. And then once you've got it to the top, you can either just stop winding it and then you can knock the gear, which puts it into a free fall like that, or you can just keep winding it all the way and it will just go naturally. So you can connect the powered up functions to this and use it through the through the app as well, which leaves it continually running up and down. But that's it guys, that's it from me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this inspires you to purchase this set, because honestly this was a surprisingly fantastic build, really enjoyable and packed with little features and Easter eggs that you can play with. So yeah, really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching guys, take care, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.